Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Hinkle. Today our lesson is going to be called Cubes to Add. And I'm going to have some Unifix cubes that I'm going to lay out up here. And for this lesson, as it said on the calendar, I'll need you to have either a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker or a pencil and a pad of paper. You're going to be writing equations to match the cube train that I set down. So the first, pause it if you need to get your whiteboard or your piece of paper and pencil, and then continue when you're ready for writing equations, addition equations. All right, the first equation that I would like you to write is that. Let's see if you can add the orange cubes plus the green cubes equals how many cubes in all? 3 orange plus 2 green equals, I could say the bigger number first, 3, and count up the smaller, 3, 4, 5, equals 5 cubes in all. I can then go back and check by counting the length of my train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the equation to match this cube train is 3 orange plus 2 green equals 5 cubes in all. Okay, if you have a whiteboard, clear your boards. And let's move on to our next train. There it is. I'll give you a moment to count how many are there and write the green number plus the red number equals how many in all. Always got to have that addition symbol. We're adding to get how many in all. And then our equal symbol. And then on this side we write the sum, which is the answer to 6 green plus 4 red. Let's see if you can write the answer right there on your paper or whiteboard. Remember, say the bigger number first and then count up the smaller number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 equals 10 cubes in all. All right, if you have a whiteboard, clear your board. And here's our next cubes to add. There's our train. I'll give you a minute to count how many blue and write it down for the beginning of your problem, your equation. We are adding, so we want to make sure we use that addition symbol. And then the green cubes equals how many cubes in all? What number should you say first? The bigger number. And then count up the smaller number. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8 cubes in all. I'm going to clear my board and bring another train onto it for us to write the addition equation. All right, I'm going to give you a head start minute here. So go ahead and count the orange. Write that number down. We are adding, so make sure you have an addition symbol. And then the light blue equals how many. All right, my orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 orange, addition symbol plus 1 light blue equals how many in all. Bigger number first, plus the smaller number. 6, count up 1, 6, 7. 6 orange plus 1 blue equals 7 cubes in all. Okay, I'm going to clear my board for a number, a new train. There it is. We've got some white and some blue. So go ahead and count the white cubes plus the blue cubes equals the sum, the total number of cubes in that train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 white cubes plus 2 blue cubes equals how many cubes in all? Say the bigger number, count up the smaller. 7, 8, 9. So 7 white cubes plus 2 blue cubes equals 9 cubes in all. We have one more to do. One more cubes to add train. And there it is. I'm going to give you a head start here. Count the first color, write the number, plus count the second color, write the number, equals how many in all. 1 red cube plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yellow cubes equals, say the bigger number first and count up the smaller number. 5, 6. 1 red cube plus 5 yellow cubes equals 6 Unifix cubes in all. Great work, boys and girls.